If you've done deep inner work, but something still feels slightly off or a bit unsettled, this is for you. You've let go of a lot, you've released emotional weight, and you've become more aware, and you can see your patterns so much more clearly now, but there's a phase that no one really talks about, and that phase is where you are no longer who you used to be, but you don't feel grounded in this new version of yourself yet. You know your truth, but you're still learning how to live from it consistently. And that can feel uncertain or even frustrating. So why is that? Because your brain is wired for what is familiar. So even though you've grown, your mind still tries to pull you back. But you can't fully go back anymore because you've already grown. You've already leveled up. And that is exactly why I created Renew Your Mind. Not to take you backwards, but to help you to live as the version of you that you've already stepped into. This is where you learn how to actually stabilize your thinking, how to apply practical tools daily, and how to stop second guessing yourself so that this new version of you actually feels natural. It is also where we anchor you in your identity in God so that you're not just aware of your truth, but that you can start living in it with clarity, with intention, and with direction. This is where you stop feeling in between and you start feeling aligned. So if you feel like this is where you are, message me and I'd love to share more and see if this next step is the right step for you.